Would you like to learn how to create an abstract landscape collage? I'm Tracy Algar, an artist from Hermanus in South Africa, and in this video I will show you how I make abstract landscape collages with painted sketches that I made out in the landscape. These sketches are of the Klein Rivier Lagoon in the foreground and the Klein Riviersberg Mountains in the background. I tear up the sketches and recompose them into a new abstract collage in my sketchbook. For more information about the materials I use, have a look in the description box below, and if you enjoyed the video and would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel.